Inside each of us exists the master inner healer wisdom and intuitive power. In some of us it's deeper, and some of us already know it, see it, and use it with ease and without self-doubt. Here is Aurora, and today we will uncover the power of our inner soul and source connection, which we are part of and always have been, and how it also affects the creation of our reality. Like in that song, how deep is your love, Master Baby? Deep is your love. We didn't come here to be boring and serious. We are here to enjoy our life and make our souls free from deep inside of us. Nothing from the outside will make you lastingly fulfilled, free, or satisfied. It all comes from the inside out, from your inner master peace and wisdom. And it can be easy and fun. To channel informations, to see, to use your psychic abilities. Oh yes, Master Baby, it's not here to burden you. Let go of all those old shitty witchy drama beliefs that comes from past history, when everything was slower, vibrations were lower, and beliefs about freedom and consciousness were completely different between people. Do you understand? This video today is made for you to remind you to have more fun in your life and stop being so rude and serious to outside world, because it should be a bit more fun. Let's connect now with your inner healer, Master Baby. Close your eyes for me now and tune into your solar plexus chakra and your heart space at the same time. How do you feel this energy, those vibrations coming from one chakra to another? Is it vibing there, or do you feel like nothing because it's stuck or unplugged energy? May we release together this block of stagnant energy between your solar plexus chakra, the ability to enjoy life, and your heart space chakra to feel all those vibrations of love and fulfillment more? If so, just say yes out loud for me, so that everyone can know that you are ready, Master Baby. Ready to open up receiving more love, more joy, more fulfillment in your life from within. And we will send you also a little bit of unconditional love, if it's okay for you. May we? And right now, Master Baby, tell me, how do you feel from the inside out? Let me know in the comments, follow my channel, and share this message with the world so others can also enjoy living life more fully, because we are so blessed. Even when we may not feel like that, because a lot of may be happening around and inside of us, but know that the light is coming and has always been with you. Only if you are ready to see it, feel it, and unplug yourself from all those old consciousness of survival and dissatisfaction, so you can go beyond. Do you understand what I try to explain to you, Master Baby? If yes, you got it, and I'm so proud of you, along with the whole universe. You can take your time to relax and have some fun today, because you deserve it. What is that one thing you keep pushing away because of no time, no space, no money, or whatever? Share it in the comments, and let's do that one thing today, right now, and enjoy it. Your life has its timing, and trust me, if you don't enjoy it now, then when? You will achieve your goal, have 2 days of fun, and then you will go back into pushing, rushing, overworking because of deadlines, projects, money, or inner stress, and it will continue like that until the end of your earthly life. Stop, Master Baby. You are here right now, and this is the right time for you to make fun of it. Don't let all those days and things slip through your fingers without enjoying them. You will finish everything at the right time, so take your time and power back and become the queen or a king of your life, no matter what. You will finish everything at the right time, so take your time and power back and become the queen or a king of your life, no matter what you do. There is no better time than now to do what you always wanted, but you pushed away because of many excuses like the weather or whatever. Take action and enjoy your life now, no matter what. And I guarantee the new doors, new positive people, new possibilities will come to you from the energy of overflow and fun, love, success. Instead of being rude, sad, pushing, overworking, and tired like a business owner chasing just deadlines because of money or your wife. Are you ready to step out of this never-ending circle of trophy chasing? Let me know, because I'm an intuitive leadership mentor and transformation teacher here to support you in taking your power back and becoming the most successful version, amazing of yourself in every area of your life from within, by increasing your psychic abilities so you can feel the real freedom of being and beyond. Are you ready to take your step? Book a clarity call with me on my website. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can also support me by joining the Awaken the Masters community on my email list. Wishing you a lot of fun, Master Baby, and see you in the next video.